Westmoreland, Jamaica. A teen fakes her abduction, figure hang out with our friends, and cut school. Ladies and gentlemen, the mother refused to have her back. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know that this one is going to be painful, but I am going to tell you the truth because it is shameful. The woman them is never blameful. I'm Rastafari, soldier here of Deeproots TV. Thank you for tuning to the Rastaman channel. Help build up the Rastaman panel by subscribing or follow or both. Leave your comment, give me a thumbs up, cause if you want to hear the truth, thank you for tuning into Deeproots. During an interview published on Wednesday, a Jamaican mother detailed how her 15-year-old daughter tried to fake her abduction after running away. The mother of three shared for the first time that the elder child left their Westmoreland home in January. The teen name is Makata Sterling. Makata Jada Sterling had told her mother that she was going to visit her young sister at her stepmother's home. However, Makata's mother said that she was later informed by the stepmother that the teen was not there. After she did not hear from Makata, she started to worry. So she waited no longer. Saturday evening, the mother said that she reported the daughter as missing. According to the mother, Makata went to her stepmother that Sunday evening. She later told her mother that she went out with friends without informing her because she knew that she was not going to allow it. The mother said, "Me said that every Saturday, our friend them from Green Island School there make up and go a burger and pizza place and them go out for the weekend." On here, friends them from Green Island School, they make up and go a burger and pizza place and them go out for the weekend. And the reason why she never tell me because she knows me not send her, the mother shared. After that incident in January, there was no problem until recent when the teen did not return home after she left for school. Makata's mother said that she claimed that she was at her stepmother's house, but that was not true because it was quickly proven to be a lie. Me vice note her, and she said she dare Jade. She dare her stepmother. And then me said, "No, you are not at your stepmother. And anyway you dare, come home." She read the text message and no reply. Then she turned off the phone, the mother said. So of course, in the families and friends, when the mother sent the text message, there was a receipt note button. So when you open it up, it showed that you receive it. It texts the person that sent it back that you receive it. She further shared that the teen began sending messages like she has been abducted. One of the messages read, "Listen this lady, you nah get her back. You nah get her back. So stop text the phone. Look how much things she father do. And my time now. Me a unalive her. Me a go unalive her. So just go and talk." You know how me a watch her? The message reportedly stated. However, the mother expressed that she was not convinced. She highlighted that her daughter had left the home with a pair of slippers to change into, speaking on the local YouTube channel of Popeye News. She shared that Makeda went on to tell her grandmother that she was treating her badly. The high schooler has since expressed a desire to live with her grandmother, but the overwhelmed mother said she has no plans to keep her when she get back. Me text me mother and tell her say she can come up there, and then me will take it from there, my mother said. To be honest, me not going to keep her. Me not going to keep her here. Me have high blood pressure and me can't afford for Jada come analyze me off before me time. And I'm me alone and me have to take care of Jada. The mother said, in addition to faking her kidnapping, or abduction, I should say, the mother disclosed that Makeda faked going to school for 2 weeks. The teen also had to be taken to the doctor for abdominal pain after engaging in SI, which is XUL, in the course. At the wrong course the girl take. Because before she in a school, I study maths, English, home economics, finance, accounting even, maybe even some arts and craft. She has studied actual course. Me I talk about intercourse. You are going to, after the girl leave the yard and gone outside, figure take some school course, Makeda cut school and gonna have intercourse in a course with her next youth. And I claim say a pizza and burger joint she did want go when she did want go get the teaching from a certified plumber. The concerned mother said that the teen is still missing. So that means that she got dash out. And she said her belly hurt. So it appears that she get what the doc get. It appears there's a baker around that put the bread in the oven. Ladies and gentlemen, that's enough of we born. So me not chew no shade pan her. Big up all the baby mothers, single mothers and all. This is how a lot of them become single mothers or teenage mothers, because them we all jump over the wall. Them will fake them abduction and end up with stomach issues, as they said. So I am hoping that Makeda, Sterling, Jada, is doing well. And I hope that the person that she's getting taught, taking these intercourse from, is a good person and will stick by her. Because there's nobody on planet Earth that will stick by a child like the mother. So I am saying, Makeda, think about what you're doing, because your mother and your grandmother care dearly about you. It's Rastafari Soldier. I'm reporting that this young teenage Jamaican girl, Makeda Jada Sterling, has duped her mother for weeks, skipping school. She didn't want to learn the golden rule. So now the mother says she can go to the grandmother while Makeda complain of stomach ache. Uno tell me what guan pan what a guan. Uno think that Makeda just have a case of the diarrhea? Or she just get burnt with the fire? Leave your comments on this one, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari, so here of Deeproots TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Give me a thumbs up. Yeah, to the Rastaman channel. If you want to hear the truth, become a part of the Rastaman panel. More life and more joy. Yeah, and more nappiness. You stay blessed. Fire,